how to enter safe mode on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, just click and hold side power button. If you want to enter safe mode, just click and hold on power button. And if you want to enter safe mode, so click on safe mode. After click on safe mode, so just click and hold on side power button. After just click and hold side power button, Samsung logo is showing on your screen. You will see safe mode. You will see apps is disable. You will see. If you want to exit safe mode, open quick settings panel, click on the settings icon, go back again, just click and hold side power button and click on restart. After you click on restart, you will see safe mode is exit. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.